a designing video in KineMaster, so watch the full video carefully. Please subscribe to channel, like and share this video. Open KineMaster, select white color from media. Click layer, go to handwriting and make a black gold shape. Click the round shape and duplicate it and make a small size and put it in a lower side. After it work, go to layer media and choose a black star animation video. Click the black star colorful video and go to blending option. Select lighten. After this process, the video is ready and play it. Please subscribe to channel, like and share this video. Thanks for watching the video.